Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing a pet page. It's for dogs, and these are the photos that I'm using, a 5x7 and a 4x6 over here. This is my son's puppy dog and he's really cute. I'm doing a bunch of them. They came to visit and we had the dog for a while. So it was a nice change for us. It was lots of fun. All right, so I'm using, oh, please subscribe below. I need subscribers, folks, and tell your friends about it. Thanks so much. Okay, so this is a fun pet page. I am using papers for, this is a background paper that I'm going to use on this page. It's this color of the dogs, so a sandy color. And it is from Orchid Hill Recollections, so that would be a Michael's pad. And I'm using a fun paper. This with writing all over it is this. That's why I put the words up there, just to show you to use a pattern paper. And it is from this DCWV, the Pet Stack. It's an old pad, but I believe it's still available. And I'm also using, this is, I just had this in my stash under pets. So it's dog treats, dog candies. And then this is the paper that I'm using. I'll show you up close. That's for this pattern here. That's why it has splatters on it. So I did some little splatters just to remind people to use printed papers, pattern papers. They really make your pages look, they bring them to a new level, and they make your photos stand out more if they're on a patterned paper. So with the Kiwi Lane here, I just used this image from, let me find it. It's called Sunny Hills. Oh, I've deleted the parts. It's called Sunny Hills, and it has wavy borders at the bottom and a sunset. It's a card. I just make it into this for design space, but I use my Kiwi Lane templates. That's the word I'm looking for. So anyway, then I was looking for dog images, and there were a whole bunch with the same look from Nate's ABCs, and I thought they were just adorable. So I picked several of them and placed them all along this border at the bottom. The reason I used this light paper at the bottom was so that these dogs, puppy dogs, would show up on it. So then I just put a border between because it was very vacant up there. So that's it. It's going to be several Cricut images on this page, but it's quite simple with the Kiwi Lane, and it's very pretty. So let's put I'm going to cut these things out and put this page together. All right, I have put down my Kiwi Lane borders already and taped them. And the one at the top with the words, I did that. I placed this photo just under the edge so that the photo mat would not show, because it looked a little funny and messy that way. And I've taped this photo down. This was very bare here, so I decided to put a border running between the photos. And then I added this. I found it in my stash. And I had a sheet of Marcel by K & Company. They were embossed stickers, and there's several of them I cut up and used them around the page to finish decorating. But now I have all my Cricut images done. So here's the little dog. How cute is that? So these images are all from Nate's ABCs in Cricut Access. And this little puppy dog is going to go here. I've got him on lifters behind as well. And then this cute, adorable doghouse. I'm putting that flat. I didn't put lifters on that. And this is a puppy playing with some toys. And here's the little yo-yo, I guess, that he's playing with, he's looking at. So this is pretty much done. And I just wanted to say I never have occasion to do cats. So there is a cartridge in Access that has cats that are just like this. This is Nate's ABCs, and the cat one is Kate's ABCs, and has little girls as well. So I just wanted you to know that you could switch to cat ideas if you liked. So I got all this done, and then I cut out some of these stickers to place here and there on the page. This is Arf, Bow Wow. And I cut another little one out. I'll put it on this house. I'm putting them on the house because it's a big bear image. I should have embossed the green before I put it all together, but I forgot. So I've made it a little more, gave it more texture by doing that. So now I'm going to put this Bow Wow on this corner, and this page is pretty much done, but I'm still not satisfied with it. So I went through my stash again, and I found this border right here, and I thought it was perfect. It's all the colors I'm using. It's not too big, and it just, look how it just anchors that page. It just makes everything fit properly. So I have two of them, so I'm using both on here, and now I just love how this has turned out. So I hope you have enjoyed this page, and you'll find it, the link, the Design Space link for copying it, if you like it, is posted below, and you'll be able to find it in Everyday Life Scrapbook 49 on my website once it's posted there. I haven't posted it yet. So subscribe below, please, and thank you for watching.